quite often is, who is our preferred brand for exhaust kit installs? And one of my personal favorites is Borla. So today we are installing a Borla ATAK catback system on a 2016 Ford Mustang. Go ahead and come along with me and we will show you our entire process.
Hit it.
And there you have it. That's why this system is one of my favorites, because it's such a difference and it sounds as badass as it looks. So if you're interested in upgrading your ride to make it sound as badass as it looks, go ahead and click the link below and feel free to shop our online store. And of course, go ahead and contact us for all of your installation needs. I'm Christy with Mufflers and More. Have an amazing day.